What is a GSA search engine ranker AA list? Well, to understand what the AA list is, you need to first understand, well, what is GSA search engine ranker? And GSA search engine ranker is an automated backlink building software. And you can actually find it by looking up GSASER.de software. You can go ahead and look it up. It's an automated link building tool. It creates a unlimited amount of backlinks, but what this list will do for you is that it will actually go out and it has pre-found and identified different platforms and different backlinks that your tool can build without utilizing your own resources to find them. We've already found millions of sites for you to utilize inside of GSA SER. So what is GSA SER? It's an automated link building tool. What is the AA list for GSA SER? It's an auto-approve list, so that way you can build more links per hour. Generally, when utilizing a list, you can build up to 1,200 backlinks per hour. So I hope this helps you out. I'm Chris Palmer with Chris Palmer Marketing for all of your GSA SER auto-approve list needs. I'll see you in the next one.